Hi guys, it's Miss Coker. We're going to start another lesson today. It's going to actually be lesson 1 from module 6. And it is actually, let me find the paper. It is using manipulatives to create equal groups. And so since I'm at home, I don't really have the manipulatives with me. So I'm going to use pieces of candy. Okay? So I have here 6 pieces of candy. I'm going to call them 6 counters. And let's see. I'm going to put them into some groups. Here's a group here. And here is a group here. All right. Are these groups equal or unequal? And how do you know? They're equal because they're the same number of counters in each group. There's 3 here and there's 3 here. Okay, what about now? Are they equal or unequal? And how do you know? They're now unequal because there are 4 in one group and 2 in another. They don't have the same amount in each group. So for groups to be equal, they need to have the same number in each. Okay? Okay, now I have 8 counters. There are 2 groups. There are 2 groups. Okay? There are 4 in each group. So we could say that there are 2 groups. Let's scoot it over a little bit. Groups of 4. Okay? But we could also do it this way. Let's scoot this back over. All right. Now how many groups do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 groups of, and how many in each group? 4 groups of 2. Now, you can use all of these counters and find a way to arrange them in equal groups. So, I'm going to put all of these together. Let's see. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here I made 2 groups. Here's one group, and here is another group. So 2 groups, and I put 6 in each. So how many do we have all together? We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12. Okay, we could do this another way. So I want you to think for a minute. You turn and talk to your mom or dad, and think of another way that you can put those groups together. Okay, I'm going to put them. Okay, I have how many groups? I have 3 groups and I have 4 in each group. Okay, what about now? I now have 1 group, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2. So you can see, and there's other ways you can do this as well. So you can see that you can make different or more than one way to make equal groups. Okay. Okay. Here I have 2 groups of 5. Okay. Another way we could do this is by having 5 groups of 10. Or sorry, 5 groups of 2. So as you can see, as I said earlier, there's different ways, or more than one way, that you can make equal groups. Okay, so I'm going to do a application problem with you, and I'm going to show how to draw it out. So Jalissa has 12 stuffed animals. Okay, so there's 12 stuffed animals. She wants to put the same number of animals in each of her 3 baskets. Okay, so you could have it right here. Just pretend these are manipulatives, and here are her baskets. Okay, she's got 12 of them, remember? So this is what we could do. We could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these same things up here are now down here in baskets. Okay, so you're drawing a picture. It's told me to draw a picture to show how she can put them into 3 equal groups. That's exactly what we did. All right, and so you're going to complete the sentence that Jalissa put how many in each of the baskets? 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them have 4, right? So she put 4 animals in each basket. Okay, so let's look at our problem sets. Remember, these problem sets are things that you're similar to what you're going to be doing. They look very similar. So, the first one says circle groups of 2 apples. Okay, so you're going to circle groups of 2 apples. So here's a group, here's a group, here's a group, here's a group, and here's a group. So there are how many groups of 2 apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 groups of 2 apples. Now it says circle the groups of 3 balls. So there's going to be 3 balls in each group. So 1 here, 1 here, here's another group, here's another group, and here's another group. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. Now it's going to tell you, remember how we just redrew in Jalissa's problem? We're going to redraw the oranges to make 4 equal groups. There's 12 of them. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We just used these, and they're now over here. There's 4 groups of how many in each group? There's 4 groups of 3 oranges. Okay, now you're going to redraw the 12 same oranges into 3 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now how many are in each group? There are now 3 groups of 4 oranges. It says redraw the flowers to make each of the 3 groups have an equal number. Okay, so there are 4 here, 3 here, and 2 here. So we need to put this one over here, okay, to make them each have 3 groups. So I'm not going to draw flowers. This is not art class. This is math. So we're just going to do 1, 2, 3. This one goes over here. 1, 2, 3. And this one stays the same. So you have 3 groups of 3 flowers equals how many flowers? How many flowers do you now have? You have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flowers. You're going to redraw the lemons to make 2 equal size groups. So you have here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have 20 lemons. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 2 groups of 10, and we already said that there was 20 lemons. So let's look at the paper that you're going to be doing. It's the same. It's very similar. You're going to take your t-shirts. You're going to group them into groups of 2 each. So there's going to be a group here, a group here, and a group here. Tell me how many groups you have. Here you're going to group your pants in 3. Oops. And then tell me how many groups of 3. How many groups of 3 pants are. You're going to redraw your wheels and put them in here. Tell me how many you have in each group. And you're going to do it a different way down here. Here you need to redo this. It looks like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 apples. So it looks like you need to take this one and put it over here, and take this one and put it over here. And you're going to have 2 in each group to tell me how many you have. You have 8, so you have 4 groups of 2 in apples that equals 8 apples. Do the same thing that you did here. You're going to add these up and then divide them up to tell me how many. You have 3 groups of how many oranges and how many oranges total. If you need to look back over this video, you're more than welcome to do so. Embark has a video as well to see if it can explain it where you can understand it. If you have any questions, of course, first and foremost, always contact me. But I hope this makes sense, and I hope that you can use this because this is actually an introduction to multiplication, believe it or not. So I will see you soon. I love and miss you all. Take care.